Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about two important AI tools. So which one, first one will be a fantastic AI tool to convert code to different format, that is you can convert any code to any types of codes. There are many options available in this particular AI tool. The next AI tool is that it is very useful for you to analyze the code. So this will be very useful for your research paper preparation and also those who are starting coding. So this will be very helpful for you to analyze your codes in different languages available. There are different languages readily present in this AI tools. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tools. So here you can see, so this is the first tool what we are going to discuss today, that is called Code Converter. So this is the dashboard of this codeconverter.com. So in this you can see this from language. So there are different types of languages available. So these are some of the popular things, that is C++, Java, JavaScript, PHP, Python, Ruby, TypeScript. So these are the different languages available. Apart from this, starting from your A to Z, all the languages which is present are available. So you can select any of the language you want. Even MATLAB code is also available. So after that what you can do is you can convert into any other format of the code. So for example, in this you can see different types of options are available. So starting from A to Z, so here you can see this is how starting from C, JavaScript, Java, Python. So all the languages are available here. So you can convert any code into a in a simple click. So for example, so it is just a TypeScript one. So in order to convert it into a Python code, just to click on Python here. So after that you can click convert code. So it will take several seconds to generate. Here you can see the Python code is generated. So after that, if you want that sample code in another format, so you can click Java. So after that you can click convert code. So again here you can see the code is converted into that is Java. So this is how you can convert from any language to another language, that is from any of the language you have given, or else you can copy and paste the content here also. So after that you can convert the code whatever you want. So I will explore with some other sample code too. So here I have clicked sample code too. So this is the TypeScript of this sample code too. So here you can see my object 1, 2, 3. So console log key value. So like that a sample program will be here. So in this sample program, so whatever the thing you want you can give. For example, I am going to give it as a C program. So after that click on convert code. So it will convert it into a C program. So let us see how it will generate. So here you can see. So this is how the sample code is converted into a C program. So after that you will explore with some Python code. So after that after clicking Python, so you can give convert code. So here you can see Python version of the particular code is generated. So this is how you can convert from one language to any other language. Let us explore with some other sample code. So this is some sample code. So here you can see this is the sample code. So I am going to convert into a Python. So same Python I am going to convert. So I am going to click on convert. So this code will be converted into Python. So here you can see. So this is how this code will be converted into a Python code. So here you can see. Yes. After that you can use any of the languages. So for example, I want C++. So and then click convert code. So here you can see this is the C++ version of that particular code. So like that you can convert any of the code in seconds using this codeconverter.com. So this will be very helpful for you to convert any version of code into another version. For example, if you are using most probably Python, means you can convert any of the complex code into a Python version. That will be very helpful for your application also. So this is how you can use this codeconverter.com to convert your sample codes or any codes you will be still having that is doubt. For example, if you having a JavaScript with you, so if you want to convert it in a Python code, so you can this option to convert into a Python code. So this code language converter will be very helpful for the researchers and also the students, those who have started your coding. So you can make use of this tool to generate different versions of the same code, so thereby you can get a better comparative analysis between all the languages you using, and also you can pick out so which one will be very useful for your applications, or else which one will be very useful for your learning purpose also. So you can make use of this code converter to generate a better version of all the codes. The next AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Uncode IT. So this is an Uncode app. So if you want to get the explanation of any code, so you can use this option. For example, I am going to click the sample code here. So here you will be having a sample code. So I am going to copy this sample code and paste in the Uncode. So you can enter your code here. So after that you can ask, explain the above code. So it acts like a chatbot. So let's click on Uncode. So it will give the explanation of the particular code. So let us see how it will generate the content for us. So here you can see that the explanation of the particular code will be generated. Hello, it looks like you are provided a TypeScript code snippet. Let me explain it to you. The code snippet defines a function called add that takes two parameters of type number a and b, and function is expected to return a value of type number. Here is the code snippet with some comments to explain it in more detail. So here you can see in this code the function takes two input parameters a and b, and both of which are expected to be a type number. The return type of function is also specified in the number. So like that it will explain bits and pieces of the particular code. So this will be very helpful for you to analyze your code even better. So for example, I am going to use a Python version of the code. In order to do so, I am going to convert that Python version using this code converter. So I am going to use Python version. So click on Python. So after that click on convert code. So it will take several seconds to convert the Python code. So after that it generated a Python code. I am going to copy the same code again. So you can go to that that is Uncode app. So after that you can clear that we have previously done. So and then you can copy and paste the code, that is the Python version of the particular addition program. So after that click on Uncode. So let us see how it will generate content for us. So here you can see that the explanation of the particular code will be generated. So this code snippet is an example for a function called add in Python. It takes two arguments a and b, both of which are integers. The int indicates that the function returns an integer. Here is the code snippet you have provided. So this is how it look like in Python. So here you can see some other included explanation of that particular code. So like that here you can see with an example. So here you can see 3,5, the output will be 8. So this is how the output will be. So like that you can get a brief explanation of the particular technical code using this Uncode. So these two tools will be very helpful for research and also students, those who are learning code. So especially this one will be very useful, that is code converter. So you can convert any version of code in any version. So this will be a fantastic tool where you can see here all the versions are available. Starting from A to Z, all the versions of the code will be available. So even MATLAB code will be also available here. So like that you can copy and paste whatever the code in this particular window, and you can convert into any types of code. So make use of this option and make your coding very simple. So as far as plans and pricing is concerned, so you will be charged for $4, that is $5 per month. So if you are interested in, so you can get a better output from this code converter for your applications. So you can make use of this option. So next important tool what we have discussed is that Uncode. So this will be a better tool where you can analyze your code very easily, and also you can get better version of codes. So make use of this option to make your code learning very simple, and also you can use In order to convert different types of codes in different languages, you can use this option. Even you can make a comparative analysis of all the codes. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So go on and explore and play with this two code converters and Uncode. So make use of this option to make your study and research paper writing simple. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.